It's me, Sky and JR. What is playing?
Oh my god, I cannot control it.
Run!
I cannot run! The things is not here. So, bring a light, bring a light.
Bring my life.
How can I pick it up?
Never mind, there's lights!
Just need to
JR,
I'm gonna hide here.
You're gonna get seen!
How can I run? I cannot run.
Yes, what? You can do it!
You're lagging. I'm lagging. Oh, there it is.
Run! Just
Wait!
Just
A bed. I can pick up.
Oh, but how about if there's an employee?
No, the employee cannot get.
If you don't make a sound, if press it. Ew. Ew.
Fudge. Fudgy bar.
How about if imagine if there's an IKEA worker?
How about?
Wait.
Wait.
Yeah, hurry up! There's an employee. I saw him.
How can you saw him?
Laser vision. JR.
How can I place it?
No, let me. Yeah, never mind that we're holding it. We can chill.
Oh my god, there's shooting.
It's an ugly dog.
Yeah. What will happen if I got I'm running as the speed of light. I crashed and so JR. I'm scared. F. Wanna press F, but I don't know how.
That way, if the big babies come to get us, if the big babies come to get us, we can use that baby to distract them.
JR, what will happen if there's an employee?
You will die.
I don't know.
I'm scared. There's a dead.
Good
Morning! Not to take it.
Oh no,
Press R to rotate. Hold F to throw. E to drop. Where's the E? Where's E? E! How to press E?
No, big star. Okay,
Okay, guys. Just get this off. I cannot carry it. How to? I'm still gonna run. I really need to find the vase. I'm very scared. I have to pull out. Okay, guys. That was for part 2. I have to discover this game, how to play it again.
wow, a big slide.